Learn today. Hello friends, today let us look at the topic family and festivals. Topics covered in this are family and family members, traditions and customs of families, special occasions in the family, festivals and celebrations, national festivals, indoor and outdoor activities. Let us start. Select the odd one out. Options are option A Ludo, option B football, option C carom, option D chess. The answer is option B football. Indoor activities are those activities that are played inside the house. Ludo, carom and chess are indoor activities. Football is an outdoor activity. We associate Sardar Patel with dash. Option A Children's Day, option B Mathematics Day, option C National Unity Day, option D Teachers Day. The answer is option C National Unity Day. Children's Day is associated with Jawaharlal Nehru. Mathematics Day is associated with S. Ramanujam. Teachers Day is associated with S. Radhakrishnan. Mohan made 4 groups each with 2 activities of similar kind, but he made one mistake while pairing activities in one of the groups. Select the incorrect group. Option A Ludo and Carom, option B Table tennis and polo, option C Billiards and chess, option D Cricket and football. The answer is table tennis and polo. Let us look at the options one by one. Option A Ludo and Carom are indoor activities. Option B Table tennis and polo. Table tennis is an indoor game while polo is an outdoor game. So that is the incorrect option. Option C Billiards and chess both are indoor activities. Option D Cricket and football both are outdoor activities. What is the name of the Samadhi of Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi? Option A Rajghat, option B Shakti Sthal, option C Vijay Ghat, option D Shahid Sthal. The answer is option A Rajghat. Samadhi is a memorial built at the burial or cremation place of somebody. Our Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi's Samadhi is known as Rajghat. Riya is married to Roshan. Roshan is dash of Riya. Options are option A brother, option B fiancé, option C father, option D husband. The answer is husband. Roshan is husband of Riya. Two persons married to each other are called spouse and male is called husband while the female is called wife. Hindus greet each other with folded hands gesture as shown below. What holds true regarding this greeting? 1. It means namaste, which means I bow to you. 2. It expresses deep respect. 3. It expresses deep sorrow. 4. It means namaste, which means happy journey. Options are option A 1 and 2 only, option B 3 and 4 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 2 and 4 only. The answer is 1 and 2 only. Namaste means I bow to you. It expresses deep respect and not sorrow or happy journey. Which of the following are benefits of outdoor activity? They help in bonding with people. They give physical benefits and helps to improve health. They increase stress and challenges of life. They increase awareness and concern about our duties to develop a healthy environment. Options are option A 2 and 3 only, option B 1, 2, 3 and 4, option C 1, 2 and 4, option D 1 and 3 only. The answer is option C 1, 2 and 4. Outdoor activity help in bonding with people. They give physical benefits and helps to improve health. They increase awareness and concern about our duties to develop a healthy environment. They do not increase stress and challenges of life, but they bring us joy. Mr. X wears turban and is a follower of Guru Gobind Singh. He goes to a dash to offer prayers. Option A, church. Option B, temple. Option C, mosque. Option D, Gurudwara. The answer is Gurudwara. Sikhs wear turban and follow Guru Gobind Singh. Sikhs go to Gurudwara to offer prayers. The effigies of two persons are burnt every year along with Ravana on Dashera. Who are those two persons and what are their relations with Ravana? Option A, Kumbhakaran, brother, Meghnad, son. Option B, Vibhishan and Kumbhakaran, both brothers. Option C, Meghnad, brother, Kumbhakaran, son. Option D, Kumbhakaran and Meghnad, both brothers. The answer is Kumbhakaran, brother, Meghnad's son. Huge effigies of King Ravana along with his brother Kumbhakaran and son Meghnad are burnt on Dashera every year. Choose the correct statement. Option A. Rishi is my niece. He is only son of my sister. Option B. My friend has sister only. Thus his children do not have any real uncle. Option C. My daughter has a cousin who is the son of my uncle. Option D. I love talking to Aunt Mrs. Shanna. She is a sister of my grandmother. The answer is option B. My friend has sister only, thus his children do not have any real uncle. Let us look at the options one by one. Rishi is my niece. He is the only son of my sister. So Rishi should be the nephew and not the niece. Option C. My daughter has a cousin who is the son of my uncle. Son of mother's uncle is uncle, not cousin. Option D. I love talking to Aunt Mrs. Shanna. She is a sister of my grandmother. Grandmother's sister is also called grandmother. So option D is also not right. Meena and Kumar are non-siblings who have common great-grandparents but not common grandparents. They are dash. Option A, first cousins. Option B, second cousins. Option C, step cousins. Option D, none of these. The answer is option B, second cousins. As Meena and Kumar, they are non-siblings and they do not have common grandparents but only common great-grandparents. Therefore, they are second cousins. Match column 1 with column 2. Column 1, we have S. Radhakrishnan, S. Ramanujan, J. L. Nehru, Sardar Patel. Column 2, Children's Day, National Unity Day, Mathematics Day and Teachers Day. Let us look at the options. The answer is option D, S. Radhakrishnan, Teachers Day, S. Ramanujan, Mathematics Day, J. L. Nehru, Children's Day, Sardar Patel, National Unity Day. Study the family tree of Shalini and select the correct option regarding it. Option A, Shalini has two cousins. Option B, among the two aunts of Shalini, only one is married. Option C, Shalini has two elder brothers and one younger sister. Option D, Shalini's grandfather has three daughters and one son. So here the square represents man, circle denotes woman, sleeping line denotes marriage, standing line denotes children. From the chart, it is clear that Shalini has one cousin sister, one elder brother and two elder sisters. And her grandfather has two daughters and two sons. Therefore, the answer is option B. Among the two aunts of Shalini, only one is married. Select the odd one out. Option A, Diwali. Option B, Republic Day. Option C, Christmas. Option D, Eid ul Fitr. The answer is Republic Day. Republic Day is a national holiday, whereas Diwali, Christmas, and Eid are regional festivals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Learn Today. Thank you.